Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add links on Thread. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add link on Threads. Maybe because you have a website or you have a personal blog of yourself and you want to add that into your bio. Or maybe you want to sell something, or maybe you are supporting or promoting a product and you want to put it in your bio and you don't know how to do it. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed a Thread app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Threads app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how it looks. On the home page, you will see all the threads on the app. Other than that, if you go to the second option, with the help of that you can search and explore for other things, and with the help of this you can write threads. And in this section we get alerts and notification, and this is a profile icon, and we have to click onto this option because we have to go to the profile to add our links. Once you get into your bio, or you could see your profile, you see this thing. This is the interface of the profile. Here is your profile icon and different stuff. If you have done any threads or replies, these will appear here. But if you want to add a link, first you have to click on this option which says edit profile. This one, just simply click onto this option. Once you get into this page, first you will read the title of add profile, and you will see different things. So here we have this option which says link, and under it we have an option which says add link. So if you want to add any link, you just have to simply click on this option. Once you get here, you will see the first title of which says edit links. Now if you want to add any link, you can add it. You can add a link of your website, your personal blog, or maybe you're selling a product, you can add that. Or if you have a link of Linktree, you can also paste it here. If you want to paste any link of your other social media platforms, you can add here. Whatever link you feel you want to add, you can add it. You just have to paste it here, or you can type that link. So here I have added this link, and now once you have added link, it's time to save it. So for that you have to click on done. Here you can see the link has been updated and pasted here. Likewise, you can also paste any link of your choice, and whenever somebody comes to your profile, they will be easily able to see that link, and whenever they click on that link, they will get to that website or whichever place it is. So that's how you can also paste any link of your choice. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can paste links on threads. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.